Venmo will let users hide their friends list or restrict who can see the list, which is public by default. The move by the PayPal-owned app, social media's spin on peer-to-peer payments, comes less than 2 weeks after BuzzFeed reported it had found President Biden's own Venmo account, the outlet reported Friday. The Hide Friends feature has been added, a Venmo spokesperson told the outlet, adding, "We are enhancing our in-app controls, providing customers an option to select a public, friends only, or private setting for their friends list." Venmo, Shutterstock. Whether these lists will remain public by default for newcomers to the app was not made clear, according to BuzzFeed. The outlet also noted that, following tests, its reporters could still see some lists that had been set to private, and inferred the change might not yet be working at full capacity. BuzzFeed first discussed the find in the May 14 article, "We found Joe Biden's secret Venmo. Here's why that's a privacy nightmare for everyone." Some readers in BuzzFeed's comments section question why they would air information about Biden's account if it was as much of a major privacy concern for everyone using the app, as the outlet says. The original article noted that BuzzFeed didn't just find the president, but several members of the first family and those surrounding them, as well as senior White House officials and their contacts, though the outlet did not share usernames nor Biden's transactions, which are not public on the app. BuzzFeed said the president and First Lady Dr. Jill Biden's Venmo connections were removed after it contacted the White House about the initial story.